Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Vlogs. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get all future updates. So the other day I had been to Gopalan Mall and I happened to see this Miniso store and I just could not stop myself from filming a video. This was most unplanned. I did not have my regular camera, so I just shot all of this on my iPhone. Yeah, I was super excited because this was the first time I ever got to visit Miniso. I'm not a shopping freak, so I really don't have so much patience to do window shopping nor shopping. I usually order stuff online, keeping in mind my busy schedule, but this store really surprised me. I was super surprised looking at the quality of the products and the prices because the prices are very reasonable and it was hard for me to believe. That's when I kind of researched about this store. Looks like this is a Japan based company or store, but they have only very few stores in Japan and they are growing really fast outside their own region. When it comes to China, they have around 1100 stores, and in India, it's just been a year and they have already made 700 crores of revenue. That is what I read, and I was super surprised. So, yeah, this was very unplanned. I didn't have anything on my mind, so I just picked up some random stuff, and I also thought of taking you guys around. So, uh, there were a lot of products, wide range of products, I can say, starting from cookware to sunglasses and beauty products and handbags, undergarments, footwear, and there were so many of the stuffed toys and head massager, and there were so many products. In fact, I was really surprised to see the prices, and the quality is also pretty decent. It's more like a dollar store in US. It looks like this is also, like more or less in the same concept. So I just took a few minutes shooting small clips of their range of products just to share it with you guys. So here are some clips and hangers. This is the footwear section. I actually wanted a pair of slippers to wear at home because the one I am using right now, when Cooper was too young, he actually chewed it off, and since then I didn't pick up any because he tends to, bite on the slipper, and I was scared if that rubber is harmful to him. So that is why I had not taken. Now he is big enough. Now he has started understanding things. So I am back with my idea of wearing slippers at home. So here they had different types of teapot, different shapes, and these are the ceramic coated frying pans. I recently did a lot of shopping in Metro when it comes to cookware, so I did not pick up any cookware. Just did some window shopping when it comes to this part of the store. Here they had a good collection of socks, full length and ankle length. Uh, Another thing I liked about this store is it was very well organized. Uh, it was very well categorized, depending on the needs. Uh, this part had all the yoga and fitness related accessories. The soft toys here, I just loved it. I just could not stop myself, but uh, keeping Cooper in mind, I thought it would be a waste of money. So that is why I did not pick up any soft toys. He likes biting everything he sees, so I've decided not to pick up any soft toys. So this part here had some beautiful, scented candles, and these are some storage boxes. These are foldable. That's the best part. When you don't need them, you can just fold and keep it. So it will also occupy less space. And here comes my favorite part. I just could not stop myself from, touching these and playing with these soft toys. They were extremely cute. So if you have kids, I think this is a must visit place for you guys. And also if you want to gift, it's an amazing idea. So they had all these spoons and knives and forks and ceramic utensils. Here comes the storage section. They had huge baskets. Yeah, I thought I'll pick up one of these where I can throw all my yarn, but yeah, I thought, like I already mentioned, it was a very unplanned thing, so I didn't want to spend that much. So this part completely had all cosmetics. I really don't want to bore you guys, so I just took one round with my camera. They had kajal and lip balms and keychains. Very cute keychains, in fact. And not too expensive as well. And this is during the billing when I came across the nail polish and I decided to pick one for myself. So these are the few things I picked up from Miniso. I actually visited their store for the first time. So immediately I got a thought of shooting a video for you guys, and that's how I ended up buying these. This was a total unplanned shopping. So I'm just going to go one by one. First of all, I picked this muffin tray or cupcake tray, what we call, for baking. I wanted one from a very long time, but yeah, elsewhere, the other places I checked, I felt it a little expensive, but here I got it for 250 rupees, like you can see on the screen. So I'll try to bake some muffins, and I'll definitely post a video on that. So that was the first thing I picked up, and then I took this mug to keep it on my wash basin where I can place the toothbrushes and toothpaste. I think this one costed around 90 rupees. The prices are very reasonable and the products they have is very wide range. I also picked this nail polish. The one I am wearing right now is this one. It says it is a water-based nail polish and it peels off very easily. I did try this, and if you want to get rid of this, no need of using any nail polish remover. You can just peel it off. If you start scraping like this, it just comes off like dead skin. So that's one thing I liked about it. And when it comes to nail polish, I generally prefer using red and black and no other color, but I somehow like this color. Yeah, and few of you have asked me on my other channel as to what shade number is this. Let me check. The writing is too tiny, I cannot read without my glasses. Okay, it says it is number 22, and the name is Nude Beige. Yeah, here it is, number 22, Nude Beige, that's what it says. This costed me about 190 rupees. I feel it's a very good product. I hate using nail polish remover to get the polish off. So as soon as I read this, I thought it is worth trying, and that is why I picked this. So this is my current favorite. And then I picked this kit, which is like set of bottles. It has a spray pump and an empty bottle along with the little spatula here and few small boxes. This is a very good kit if you are traveling, if you want to just transfer a little quantity of your moisturizer or shampoo while traveling. It's a very good thing. And I wanted to make Vaseline based lip balm because a lot of my old lipsticks are left out, so I thought I'll try that after seeing a couple of videos. So that's when I'm going to use these tiny boxes. So this also costed around 190 rupees, which is pretty decent. It's good quality, and the size of each bottle is mentioned here. Everything is specified in details. It's 8 pieces kit. One bottle is 80 ml and the other one is 55 ml, and no, 2 bottles of 55 ml and 12 ml, 3 boxes. So yeah, this is going to come very handy while traveling. And then I just could not resist when I saw this guy. So cute. It's a sleep eye mask. While sleeping you can use it. So I have not opened it yet. I wanted to open it with you guys. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera in one hand, so I'm just trying to manage with my other hand. So the speciality of this is you can use it warm as well as cold. There is this gel based thing inside which comes out. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, this one here. I think you can pop this into the freezer and then put it back in and then place it on your eyes. You get a really you can de-stress yourself using this. Since it is so cute, I just could not stop myself. Yeah, I think I'm going to use it every night. And next up, I picked this foot cover, which is anti-slouch, it says. So it has this kind of flowers and rubber which will not let you skid on the floor. And this one is 150 rupees. I picked this up from my mom actually because she tends to have cracked feet. So I am hoping wearing this regularly will help reduce the cracks. And yeah, I think that's all. And I also picked up a pair of slipper. So here is the slipper I picked. I wanted one to wear it in the house or in my house. I have not cut the tag yet. So this is the slipper I bought. I don't really remember how much I paid for it, but I just love the the color. It is really soft. I think yeah, 290 is what I paid for this. Just it's very comfortable. That is why I decided to buy this. So that's about it for today, guys. On the whole, I think I spent somewhere around 1200 bucks. I felt it is worth the spend. So do let me know what you feel about this store, and if in case you have any favorites, do share them in the comment section and I'll try it myself too. Keep sharing our videos with your friends, subscribe to our channel and continue to support us the same way. Alright then, I'll see you soon with my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.